This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix apps icon not showing on iPhone keyboard. So if you're not see the Photos app or Memoji apps or any other apps on your iPhone keyboard, just follow these simple solutions to fix this problem. So the first solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, Keyboard, scroll down and enable Memoji stickers and enable all of these options. Then check the issue, and the second solution is go to General, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset keyboard dictionary. Once done, check the issue, and if you're still facing the same issue, then tap on this App Store icon here and your apps icon will be visible. So that's how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.